Manuel Arguila, Amado V. Hernandez, C. Garcia Villa. Oh, here we go. Rolando Estino.
Rolando Santos Tino. Born in 1937, died on 1997. He was a well-known Filipino artist recognized as a poet, playwright, director, actor, critic, and a teacher. He loved the arts from a young age and graduated with a philosophy degree at 18. Later, he earned a master's in creative writing from the University of Iowa.
He was honored as a national artist for theater and literature and received many awards during his career. Tino was married to actress Ella Luansing and had 2 children. He passed away from a heart attack while directing a musical, leaving a significant impact on Philippine literature and theater.
Works that he translated. Romeo and Juliet. I know this one.
Oh, Juliet, mahal na mahal kita.
Oh, Romeo, mahal na mahal din kita.
Lola Marta, Lola Tonya, nakita niyo po ba si Tay? Ay nga po, hindi eh.
May pinuntahan lang siguro.
Okay po.
Scripts. Oh, for film. Bayad Puri. Papunta na, mahal! Tingnan mo itong libro ng mahal, oh. Ang ganda naman ng historya ng buhay ko. I do not believe in a classless society. There will always be the rich, there will always be the poor. It is the human nature. There can never be a uniform society. There will always be individuals. Justice is given only according to each individual's needs.